Today, I will show you how to link your TransferWise account to your Shopify store. If you're running an international store and want to receive payouts in different currencies without paying high fees, this method will help you. Before we begin, make sure you already have a Wise account. If you don't have a Shopify store yet, check the link in the description as well, where you can register for Shopify and get 3 months for only $1. Shopify does not support Wise as a direct payment provider, but there is a simple workaround. You can use Stripe as the payment processor, then link your Wise account to Stripe. This way, payouts from your Shopify sales will go straight into your Wise account. First, make sure your Shopify store is connected to Stripe. Go to your Shopify admin, click Settings, then Payments. Under Third-Party Providers, choose Stripe. If Stripe is not showing, click Add Payment Methods and add it manually. When Stripe is connected, it will ask for your payout bank details. This is where we connect Wise. Open your Wise account in another tab. Go to the Balances section and choose the currency where you want to receive payments, for example, USD, GBP, or EUR. Click Get Account Details for that balance. Wise will generate local bank account details for you. Copy those bank details and go back to your Stripe dashboard. In Stripe, click Settings, then Payouts, and then Bank Accounts and Scheduling. Click Add Bank Account and paste your Wise details exactly as they appear. Make sure you select the matching currency and country. Stripe may ask you to verify your identity or your Wise account information. This is normal and usually only takes 1 or 2 business days. Once verified, your payouts from Shopify will go directly to Wise. With this setup, you can receive money in local currencies and, if you want, convert it later at Wise's low exchange rates. To confirm that everything is working, wait for your next Shopify payout and check if the money arrives in your Wise account. That is how you connect your Wise account to your Shopify store by using Stripe as the bridge. And if you want to try Shopify, use my link in the description to register and get 3 months for just $1. Thanks for watching.